Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can enhance your designs and make them look less generic by creating variants of your components in MagicPath with image references and other descriptors as well. So for example, we have this here and it looks simple, it looks alright, but it's a bit basic and maybe you want to spice it up a little bit. We can click on create variants and we can upload an image. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and find some inspiration on the internet from Dribble, and I'm going to take an image of that and upload the image in here. So let's say I like something like this to use as a reference, maybe the colors and the styles. I can simply save this as an image somewhere, go back to MagicPath, and I'm going to open this image and upload it. And I can say create a variant using the image attached as a reference, and I'm going to enter this and hopefully create something that is similar in style to that image we attached. And look at that, we've got a more pinkish themed component that takes a bit of inspiration from the image we uploaded. And maybe you want to just change this because it's too rounded. We can say reduce the roundedness, if that's even a word, and the radius level of this div. Hopefully that works, and this doesn't consume any credits when you use a visual edit tool like this. Just click on generate and see what it does. Oh, I've just noticed I've got the Open AI theme selected. Hopefully that doesn't influence the design, but we will see. And maybe I want to use something like this as a reference. Let's see if this works. This is like a neo-brutalism design. And let's use it for this reminders widget. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually save that as a proper screenshot. And then I'm going to go to MagicPath, upload my image. And I'm going to say the same thing. I'm going to say create a variant of this design using reference from the attached image. And I'm going to select two variants this time instead of one, and let's see what it comes up with. Let's go and check on this, and yes, it looks a lot nicer now, less rounded, the div and the little card inside this, which is good. And let's try another one as well. So this one, when you click on it, it expands. Let's try and click this feeling lucky, and let's see what it generates as well. And again, let's try two variants for this. Let's see what MagicPath creates. Okay, so it's kind of got the borders down, but it's not quite got the exact styling down, but it looks more like the neo-brutalism. It's tried to emulate the borders by making colored borders, which is nice as well. Let me just expand this, and this one's slightly bigger than this as well. So you can see it's taken some of the colors and the borders and the design into account, but it's not done it perfectly, but that's because we've just uploaded an image, and maybe I should have added make it neo-brutalist as well. And then for this one, we can see what it's done. Okay, so this one's quite similar to this, but I like the rearrangement and the relayout of this, and this as well. This looks clean. Wow, this looks clean as well. So you can see that we've just left it to its own imagination, and it's created two variants that actually look probably better than the first one. So let's go ahead and create some more widgets and test out this feature even more. So I'm just going to paste this in here. And let's select a nice design theme. Let's select the brutalism theme and see what it does. That might be interesting. Click on enter. And I'm going to create another one. And I'm going to get another widget to create. So I'm going to create a weather widget, and let's just use the default design theme and let's see what it creates as well. Press enter. And then when these finish, we can try it again and use the variants and see what amazing designs it can come up with. So as you can see that when you're using these variants, it takes it away from this standard looking AI generated design to something that looks less AI generated. Again, if we want to make this even better and less AI generated and less AI looking, we can simply just edit this component and we can maybe change the fonts. So we could change to something like Inter. Let's just do that for all these. Yep, like that. And once again, this doesn't use any credits. Another thing AI likes to do, it likes to use gradients. So what we can do, we can simply make this not a gradient, make it a solid color, and we can choose a yellow color like this, and make sure the opacity is not on 0. Perfect. Maybe make it a little bit darker so it's more visible, maybe a little bit more orange. Yep, press save, and slowly it's looking less AI generated and less generic than this black and white one that we created earlier. So we've got this focus timer widget, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back onto Dribble and I'm going to select dark mode and get a nice dark mode design. I really like this actually, so let me screenshot and save this. Screenshot it properly. I'm going to go back into MagicPath and then do the same thing we did before. So I've inputted my image. Let's say create variants using reference from the styling, colors and layout of my image attached, and this time we're going to do 3 variants, so give us more variety, and maybe we can choose the best one and delete the others. Okay, it's created 3 variants, and 3 very different variants actually. So this one's more of a minimalism design, and it looks clean. It's a bit of a skeuomorphic design a little bit as well with the shadows, and here it's quite similar to the first one, just a lot more compact. And this one does take inspiration from the dribble shot here with the colors, and more of the colors, and obviously the purple color. Obviously there's a few issues here that we probably should fix, like this. Just click on edit component and maybe ask it to make the circle centered. Make the circle centered in the div. But you can see how you can quickly grab references to use as variants, and then use the variants button here, create variants, to quickly generate different styles and different variants of the designs you already have. So that was a quick demonstration of MagicPath's new feature, create variants, where you can upload images into the little prompt box, and you can paste images as well, and ask the AI to create variants based on the layout, the color, the theme of the image you're attaching. So thank you guys for watching. Have any questions, any queries, any comments, let me know in the comment section down below. Have any future video recommendations or suggestions, let me know as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, I'll leave a link to this file in the description below.